What operation on both sides of the equation isolates the variable on one side? We are given three examples here. Now, when solving a linear equation, you use inverse operations. Inverse meaning the opposite. So the equal sign splits the equation in two equal parts. The left side and the right side have to always be treated the exact same. Now, our x is the unknown, and that is what we are trying to get by itself. We're trying to isolate the x variable. So at this point in time, we have a 6x. The 6 is touching the variable. If it's touching, that implies multiplication. So to undo multiplication, we do the opposite. The opposite of multiplication is division. So in this case, the step is I guess I shouldn't say division. The step is to divide by 6. If you divide both sides by 6, 6 divided by 6 is 1. I'm left with 1x equals 7. So our step, divide by 6. In part B, same concept in that the equal sign splits it into two equal sides. You see your variable x that you wish to isolate. You see plus 7. You want to do the opposite of plus 7 to undo it. The opposite of plus 7 is subtract 7. So our step is to subtract 7 from both sides because 7 minus 7 is 0. X plus 0 is x, and that means just x would be 7. So our step is subtract 7. And our last step, x divided by 8 equals 4. So our equal sign splits our equation into two equal halves. Now you see a division bar. The opposite of divide is multiply. So we want to multiply by 8. If I multiply both sides by 8, well, on the left side, you see fractions, and you can reduce. 8 divided by 8 is 1. Again, I'm left with 1x, very similar to part A. And on the right side, I have 4 times 8, which is 32. So my step is simply to multiply by 8.